In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Camry key fob and replace the internal battery at home. It is very easy to do. All you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2016 batteries. If you'd like to get one of these batteries online, I will leave a link in the description so you can pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And then you can just follow along. So let's just get right into it. Up on the top of the device here, you can see there's a little slot, a little indentation along the seam. And we want to take the flathead screwdriver, insert it into that area, just kind of hold the device loosely and twist your screwdriver. That will open up the device. You can actually just continue twisting down that little opening until it comes, the back part comes off easily, and you can just set that to the side. Now from here, the battery comes out super easily. You can just push on it and slide it up with your thumb. Remove the battery, get rid of the old one, get a new CR2016 battery. And again, if you don't know where to get that, there will be a link in the description for you. And when you're putting your new battery in, make sure the positive side that has the text and the little plus sign on it is going face up. And you will just click that down into place and just finally click the two halves of the device back together, and that's all it takes. It is really easy, guys. So I hope that helped you out. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on this YouTube channel for pretty much every make or model, so go check those out. And you can also visit us directly at fobbattery.com. So thank you so much for watching.